Hello, and welcome back to the channel. I'm Dr. T, a tech trainer and career coach, and I help professionals transition to tech by leveraging their existing skills and abilities. Today, I want to talk about some of the fastest growing entry level AI careers that don't require coding, a tech background, or a computer science degree. These roles are exploding right now, and they're perfect for beginners and even for career changers who want to enter the AI space with confidence. Now, as AI becomes more powerful, organizations need people to understand transparency, fairness, and responsible use. So, roles like AI governance and compliance support, or AI governance assistant, or AI responsible coordinators, or model risk analysts are growing fast. These jobs focus on documentation, testing, evaluation, and overall making sure the AI systems follow ethical and legal standards. So these roles are accessible, they're high impact, and in demand in every sector. Then we have AI operations and support related roles. These roles are looking for people who help teams actually use AI in their daily work. So think about prompt specialist roles or workflow designers or AI support associates. Those are the types of roles and those are the types of individuals that support AI automation, but that they don't require coding. They require clarity, communication, and the ability to translate human needs into AI powered solutions. So if you're organized, curious, and good with people, this lane is wide open. Another area to focus on is AI content and evaluation. These are the roles that focus on evaluating AI outputs, improving model quality, and ensuring accuracy. So companies hire people to test prompts, review AI generated content, and flag errors and bias. These roles are perfect for educators, writers, analysts, and anyone with strong critical thinking skills. Now, if any of these roles sound like a fit, our AI bootcamp and internship was built for you. We focus on the exact skills needed for these beginner friendly pathways, and we pair them with a real internship so that you complete the program with experience, not just theory. If you're ready to step into one of these fast growing career fields, join the cohort by using the link below.